At the bottom of the funnel, you've got the hot audience. This is where you can retarget people that have accessed your website, and this is where you can also retarget people who have given you their contact details in exchange for that lead magnet, that ethical bribe, the report that you offer in exchange for their contact details. So they've shown a pretty significant level of buyer intent by visiting your website, and the perfect types of content to reach people in here, depending on whether you're e-commerce or whether you're service-based, can differ. However, if you are e-commerce, you can do really creative things, like you can reach people who have added products to cart but haven't yet purchased, and you can reach people who have looked at particular products and then serve those products back to them in what Facebook calls is a carousel ad. So not only can you retarget people who visited the website, but you can show them the exact same products that they've been looking at. If you're a service-based business, you could even try getting creative and doing, send message campaigns. So they visited your website, they haven't inquired, so you could create a send message campaign so people are one click away from starting a conversation with you about some of the common objections that people might have choosing a competitor over you. Another creative thing you can do at the bottom of the funnel is start thinking about offers. What's a low barrier offer that you can put in front of people? Low cost, high reward. What's something that you can start putting in front of people just to start a conversation? A tactic you can use for messaging is overcoming objections, as I mentioned before. So, why would someone choose someone else over you? If it's, for example, you might be a bit more expensive, then it's really about, you might have a testimonial that's talking about you might be a bit more expensive, but there's more value there. Some other cool messaging you can use at the bottom of the funnel is scarcity, saying that there aren't many left of a particular product or service, or even urgency, saying that something's going to run out at the end of the month. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can always hit us up through our contact page, but this gives a bit of an insight into the types of strategies we like to use to get results for people that we work with.